Hey everybody, welcome to the unboxing of my new cordless drill. It's a Dewalt brushless 1/2 inch drill driver kit. It's supposed to have 2 batteries, the tool, and a bag. We'll just get started. The anticipation. So after the straps, there's tape on 2 sides. That side seems to be glued down pretty good, so we will open it from one end, slide it out. The complete set comes in the bag. The box is now empty. Unzip the bag. First thing you see is the instructions, safety information, the instruction manual. Looks like in more than one language. Want to see how many pages. Looks like it goes to 11 pages in English, and then you've got French and Spanish. Excuse me, it's hot here in the middle of the summer when filming this. Here's the Dewalt charger. This comes with a cord. Let's get a measurement on that. Right at 6 feet. Cord's right at 6 feet long for the charger. Here's one battery, comes in a Ziploc bag. The other battery comes in a Ziploc bag. This is the 20 volt max lithium-ion batteries to charge. They'll slide down like that on the charger. Here's the tool itself. Comes in a cover bag. Got dual speed, 1 and 2. Got a nice large 1/2 inch chuck on it. Forward and reverse with a several settings. We'll see if the batteries are charged. They are. Excellent. I'll put on my safety glasses and we will take a 1/4 inch drill bit, tighten it up in the chuck. Put it on speed 2. Alright. And even with my cheap bit that I grabbed, it was able to cut through the wood. We will put in a star bit and try a screw. Put it on speed number 1 for this. Seems to work without issue. Reverse it. It comes out. That's the set. Now, the reason I needed a new drill was my old Makita had broken, and I'd love to have a working drill, an extra drill. Maybe you have some ideas on this, and we'll get some close-ups in the video of all this, but right now I've got a bit in there, and whenever I reverse it, the chuck just unscrews off, and I'm not able to get it tight enough to have this chuck stay on. And I haven't been able to get that bit out. When you look at the unit here, you can see the interior portion, not the outer threads, but the interior rod that goes up into here has snapped off from the work I was doing. Anyway, this is our unboxing, and glad to have a new drill, and look forward to many years of operation. It's also got a light on the front. It's it feels very, very light, easy to handle, well balanced. This is the 20 volt max brushless, and I'll put the model number and everything. This is DCD777C2, and I'll put that in the notes below. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, and like that video. Put comments below, any ideas that you have how I could fix my Makita, and put what you think of these Dewalt cordless drill sets, and if they're worth the money. I got this one on sale at Lowe's, but let me know in the comments your thoughts. Can't hurt my feelings. Oh, I hear my wife coming. I gotta go.